Welcome to the Scaringi Law Lunch Break. This is your time of the day to learn a little bit about the law while you enjoy your lunch. We talked yesterday about how just a few days ago, Alex Jones, the controversial host of InfoWars, lost an appeal in a defamation lawsuit that had been filed against him. Jones is currently being sued by 9 families who've lost loved ones in the horrific school shooting at Sandy Hook Elementary School. Having lost the appeal, Jones is stuck having to answer an expedited discovery order granted by the trial court judge as the defamation suit against Jones continues in Texas. Sticking to the topic of Alex Jones and InfoWars, earlier this summer, Jones settled a copyright infringement lawsuit brought against him by the creator of Pepe the Frog, Matt Fury. Fury had filed a lawsuit against InfoWars after it sold a poster with Pepe the Frog next to images of Donald Trump and InfoWars founder and star Alex Jones. Matt Fury created Pepe the Frog as a cartoon character in his 2003 comic book Playtime. Fury did not like that Pepe was being used by certain political groups he viewed as right-wing hate groups. So he sued Alex Jones and InfoWars to stop them from using Pepe and for damages. Although Fury sued Jones and InfoWars for over $1 million, the parties settled the suit in June of this year. The settlement requires InfoWars to hand over to Fury all the profits earned from selling the poster, a total of $14,000, as well as to donate an additional $1,000 to an amphibian conservation charity called Save the Frogs. As part of the settlement, InfoWars agreed to no longer sell the image of Pepe without a license from Fury and to destroy all copies of the poster in its possession. Fury declared he will never license the image of Pepe to Alex Jones or InfoWars. But why did Fury settle the suit for only $15,000? The answer to this question is of importance to those of you creators and artists out there. You need to know the answer. Although Matt Fury created Pepe the Frog and is thus the author of the cartoon and has rights to the cartoon, rights to the image, he did not register his rights. He did not register a copyright in Pepe until after InfoWars had created the poster featuring the frog. This detail caused the judge to rule out any recovery of statutory damages and attorney's fees, and that's where the real money is. Therefore, Fury was only set to receive around $14,000 in profits if he won, which is much less than the amount he was seeking in the suit, and that's likely why he settled. Had Fury registered his copyright in the frog, he would be in a much stronger position in the litigation and would have been able, perhaps, to cover statutory damages and attorney's fees. Fury stated that he had no idea that Pepe would catch on the way it did on the internet and social media, and he didn't like the way the particular political groups that were using Pepe, and that offended him. But he never went through the process of registering the cartoon as a copyright. Had he done so, that would have given him much more power over its use. He's now learned his lesson. Those of you who are authors, creators, and artists, make sure to copyright your original work of art, which can include a cartoon featuring an adorable amphibian named Pepe. You have to register them. If you would like to learn more about copyright registration, give Scaringi Law a call at 717-657-7770 and ask to speak to one of our intellectual property rights attorneys. We can assist you in registering a copyright for all of your original works of art. Well, that's about all the time we have today for the Scaringi Law Lunch Break. I hope you learned a little bit about the law. Thanks for listening and enjoy your lunch.